What if I told you that the secret to never skipping another workout isn't about willpower at all? In fact, the people who seem naturally motivated to exercise every single day have cracked a code that has nothing to do with being superhuman. They've discovered 10 simple psychological tricks that make working out feel as automatic as brushing their teeth. And by the end of this video, you'll have every single one of these game-changing hacks in your back pocket. Before we dive in, I want you to do something for me. Think about the last time you planned to work out but didn't follow through. What stopped you? Was it lack of time, feeling tired, or just not being in the mood? Whatever it was, I guarantee at least 3 of today's hacks will completely eliminate that excuse from your life forever. The psychology behind this is fascinating. Our brains are wired to resist big changes but embrace small ones. When you think about doing a full-hour workout, your brain immediately starts calculating all the energy that will require and often talks you out of it before you even begin. But 2 minutes? That's nothing. Your brain doesn't even register it as a threat. It's like tricking yourself into being motivated. The routine becomes coffee, workout, Netflix. Your brain starts associating exercise with these positive experiences, and before you know it, the workout becomes part of the enjoyable sequence, rather than an interruption to it. This is why people who work out first thing in the morning often find it easier to stick to their routine. They've created a positive reward loop. This shift is incredibly powerful, because every workout becomes evidence of your new identity, rather than a step towards some distant goal. When you see yourself as a person who exercises regularly, skipping workouts actually feels uncomfortable, because it goes against who you are. It's like if you see yourself as someone who brushes their teeth, not brushing them would feel wrong. Your minimum viable workout should take no more than 10 minutes and require no equipment. Maybe it's 10 push-ups, 20 squats, and a 1-minute plank. Maybe it's dancing to 3 songs. The specific exercises don't matter as much as having a predetermined alternative that you've decided still counts as a win. The goal is to make working out the path of least resistance. Lay out your workout clothes the night before. Keep your yoga mat rolled out in your living room. Put your running shoes by the door. Fill your water bottle and place it next to your keys. These might seem like tiny changes, but they eliminate the micro decisions that can derail your motivation. The key is making your commitment public in some way, even if it's just to one person, or even just to future you by writing it down. Our brains hate inconsistency between what we say we'll do and what we actually do. This psychological pressure can be just enough to get you moving on days when motivation is low. Your body is capable of incredible things. You get to feel your muscles working, your heart pumping, your strength building. You get to take care of the only body you'll ever have. You get to do something that millions of people wish they were physically able to do. When you frame exercise as a privilege rather than a punishment, it stops feeling like a chore. But here's the key. Never listen to this playlist outside of exercise. It needs to be exclusively connected to movement. Over time, just putting on these songs will trigger the mental state you need to get moving. It's like having a motivation switch you can flip whenever you need it. Process goals might include working out 4 times this week, drinking enough water, or getting adequate sleep. These are actions you can take regardless of whether your body responds the way you want it to. When you achieve these process goals, you feel successful, which fuels motivation to continue. When you miss a workout or don't perform as well as you hoped, talk to yourself the way you would talk to a good friend in the same situation. You'd probably say something like, "Hey, it happens to everyone. Tomorrow is a new day. You're doing better than you think." Give yourself that same kindness. You don't need to implement all 10 hacks at once. Pick the 2 or 3 that resonate most with you and start there. Once those become automatic, add another 1 or 2. Building sustainable motivation is itself a process that takes time, but every small step compounds into significant change.